Hello friends, subscribe my channel. Examination based question. First question. These days many people leave their country to work abroad and take their family with them. Do you think benefit of this outweigh disadvantages in the term of family development? Your next question. Everyone should stay in school until the age of 18. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Your next question. Mothers generally stay home to take care of their children after pregnancy. Do you support the opinion that these mothers should be compensated by the government? Your next question. Some people think paying tax is enough to contribute to the society. Otherwise, argue that being a children involve more responsibility. Discuss what is your opinion. Next question. Some company and organization require their employee to wear the uniform. What are the advantages or disadvantages of wearing uniform? For this, some people shopping is not just about buying, but what is a necessity but a form of the entertainment. Do you think it is positive or negative development? Give your opinion and example your experience.